If you are considering this program, you just go for it. It will be the best thing that you do for yourself.
This is really very holistic, realistic, and meaningful journey of learning.
I can really recommend to come here and participate.
Like, this is something that will help you create more happiness in your life, in your day-to-day, and really lead you towards the life that you want to live. And for that alone is so powerful.
Those who join, you will find like a community with the people who really connected with the divine, the nature, and each other.
So it felt like a family, and everyone is part of it.
This is really joining the family of love.
Don't hesitate, come!